it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing for winter 2020. I do have a coupon code. It is SAM10. So huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video and giving you guys that code. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, every single season they come out with a new box, and they've actually changed out their packaging, so I think it's a little bit more eco-friendly. But this is what the winter box looks like. So it's very festive with little snowflakes, looking like a lovely little winter dream. It comes out seasonally, so spring, summer, fall, winter. So we're on winter at the moment, and you do get to customize the box now, which is super fun. So when you're a member, you get to pick out like the items that you want in there. They have flash sales. So they've changed the boxes now so that they're made out of 100% recycled craft box and paper. So they're saving the trees. So that's really nice. So if you look at the box, you'll notice that they are slightly different than what they used to be. A lot of the products are from female found companies. So they're super supportive of women empowerment, and I love that. And the box is $49.99 a season. If you use my coupon code, that will save you $10, and that brings it down to $39.99 for the season, and it's over $200 worth of value. So you get so much stuff in here for the price that you're paying, and it's just every season, so only once every 3 months. It is available in the US, Canada, and the UK, which is awesome. I know that I have some people that watch me from Australia and Germany and like obviously other parts of the world, but the majority of the people that watch me are from Canada, US, and UK, so you guys can all get this, which is very exciting. And the winter theme is shimmer, spice, and everything nice. This winter we're saying cheers to making every day a special occasion. Whether you're getting glammed up for a holiday soiree or hibernating in front of a cozy fire, popping bottles of bubbly or bubbling up your bath, baking your face, or baking a batch of cookies to eat while you binge Hallmark movies. 'Tis the season to see the sparkle everywhere. So I've given you all the information. Let's go ahead and open the box. So when you open it up, it looks like a big huge snowflake has exploded inside. It's lovely. You do get a little pamphlet usually, which, where is my pamphlet? Oh, maybe it's not in here. So I do have a little scratch off credit thingy for Bright Sellers. It's like for a wine subscription, which I'll probably give to my friend. Then we have the below the belt. This is a crock card case. So this is what it looks like. So you've got two little sections for your cards, and then you've got a little zipper here on the back that maybe you could put coins in or something sneaky and secret. So that's cute. Next, there is an $80 HelloFresh coupon code. You guys can use it if you like. It is A6965-1225. That'll take $80 off your first box and free shipping. So you guys are more than welcome to use that if you want to. Next, I see a Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. This is vegan, and that is what it looks like. So it's just like a little dry brush, but for your face, which I've actually never heard of before. It's supposed to polish your skin and give your skin a facial workout. Interesting. It says, for best results, incorporate into your AM routine. Always use daily facial dry brush on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality of it. Use brush in a swiping motion along the forehead, down the nose and chin, and in and outward strokes across the cheeks and down the neck, stimulating lymphatic pathways and encouraging draining for reduced puffiness and to exfoliate. Interesting. I've never heard of dry brushing your face. I would have thought that that would be like a little bit too much, you know, but I've heard about it for your cellulite, which I actually have a dry brush, and like I always say I'm gonna do that, and then I never do. I don't know if that actually works. Like I think I saw Tati doing a video about it years ago, and I was like, well, she's super skinny, so she probably just doesn't have cellulite. But I feel like skinny people get cellulite too, you know? So it's not just us. So here's what the brush looks like. It's a cute little size, cute little wooden handle. You have a little thingy-mabobber that you can hang it from if you want to hang it up somewhere. It's actually really soft. I was worried that it was going to be like really rough, but it actually feels really soft. Like I could feel how that would actually be quite nice. So I'm actually really interested to try that out. I'm going to give it a go, and then I'll let you guys know if I feel like it does anything, because it does actually feel that dog is gonna steal it. I'm gonna stick this back in the box because this dog has been shady. Posey has been stealing all my stuff because I haven't quite finished unpacking, so I have all these boxes of makeup that's like halfway open. She keeps on climbing into the boxes and stealing all my lip scrubs and my lip glosses and my lip liners and chewing them up. The next thing we have is the Summer and Rose, and I believe this is either a robe or a blanket. Let's take a look here. Oh, you've come to see what you can steal? I see what you're up to. You're shady. You've already been in trouble once today because she stole a C.E. Bigelow lip balm and she stuck it under the freaking bed where I couldn't reach. Shady. She's shady. Wow, this is so cozy, you guys. It's a robe. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It's like a really nice kind of like oatmeal color with a big pocket, and it has a hood. It's super duper soft. Oh, if I put it on, am I gonna get fluffs all over me? I actually have to go somewhere today. Yeah, I think I will. But anyway, it does have a little thing so you can hang it up on a hook. You've got nice long sleeves. It's like a 3/4 length, and it's called the Cozy Robe, and this is in a size extra small, small, medium. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so soft. I dropped the tie, so it does come with a tie as well. So that's super cozy, and if you already have a robe, you could definitely gift that to someone for Christmas. That's such a nice, I feel like everybody loves a robe, especially when it starts to get cold. Okay, next we have the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. This is a pore perfecting exfoliator. Helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. So I will give this a go tonight. These dogs, I'm serious, I can't deal with my animals right now. They are driving me insane. The cat won't stop scratching at the door because he wants to go outside. The dogs keep crying because they have this shady little plan where he sits at the door. She acts like she has to go to the bathroom. So she sits by the door and cries like, I'm gonna poop my pants, I really have to go. And then he will sneakily jump out and go out into the backyard, and then I have to go and chase him and try and get him back in. They're driving me crazy. And then Posey just keeps chewing up all my stuff. So you can sit. You're fine. You're just fine. Just relax. So this is what it looks like up close. So it's a nice little tube. Let's have a sniff, shall we? Oh, it's covered. It smells minty. Yum. It smells super good, like peppermint. Yeah, you can definitely feel the grit in there. It's like definitely like super fine grit, which I like because then I feel like it really polishes your skin super well. And I'm all about, I need to go wash my hands, it's all over me. I'm all about exfoliating. When you have oily skin, you have to exfoliate or you get so much buildup. Okay, yeah, so that is super minty and lovely. Next, we have a liquid eyeliner. This is the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner Black, and it's just a little small liquid liner. Let's open it up and see. I don't actually like liquid eyeliner, so this will definitely be re-gifted to someone else, but it just comes in a cute little container like this. And then let's just see what the wand looks like. It looks like that. So it's not a brush, it's like the little kind of like pen, which I actually think those are really nice. They're quite easy to work with. So I'll be re-gifting that. That's what's nice about FabFitFun, is that sometimes there is a box that you're like, there's a couple items that you do. She's not gonna stop. I'm gonna have to hold Tiddles. Hold on. Do you need to go outside or are you faking? Tiddlywinks, you can't go out. No. Yeah, it's like sometimes you get products that you're like, I actually don't like that. You can give it away as a birthday present or a Christmas gift, whatever. Okay, next we have some super cozy little socks from Muck Lux. It says, wear your way of life. And they are just these really, are they mittens? No, they're socks. So they are, let's just take a look here. This is a very cozy one, this box. Oh yeah, wow, these are like thick. These are, oh, they're super fluffy inside. They're like super padded on the inside. And they do have little grips on the bottom so that you don't slip over and fall. And they've got little pom-poms in the front. So cute. That would be a super great Christmas gift actually if you don't want to wear them for yourself. But they're so soft and fluffy on the inside. They're really nice and thick. Oh, look, we have Luna Tuna now that the other horrible doggies are outside. She's come out. She doesn't like them. I don't blame her. They're annoying. They are so cute, but my gosh, they drive me crazy sometimes. Okay, next we got the Apare cutting board set of 4. These are BPA free, dishwasher safe, and there's 4 different colors. So let's go ahead and open this up. They're nice because they're super thin. So if you don't have like a huge amount of storage space in your kitchen, like I do not, They don't take up a lot of space. So there's red, yellow, like a really nice green, and then, oh, I'm sorry, that's a light green and then a kind of medium green. And they have like a kind of grippy side on the back and then a super smooth side on the front. I'm assuming you put the smooth side up and the grippy side down. But yeah, they're just like little cutting boards. So that's really handy. I mean, look how thin that is. 4 cutting boards only take up that much space. So that's really great. Small space storage solutions. Okay, and then the last item that we have in here, I can take out my brush now that the dogs are outside. So this is the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs set of 2. I have some Lily Pulitzer mugs at the moment in the kitchen, and they're so bright and colorful. They make me so happy. They make me feel like I'm on vacation. Oh wow, look how cute these are. These are so fun. They're really colorful. They've got blue and purple and green and like a dark purple on there as well. And then on the inside it says XX Lily with like a, I think it's a cat sunflower. They're matching, so that's a cute little set. So again, you could gift this if you wanted to, or you can keep it for yourself. They're actually a really good size. I really like eating soup in mugs. I don't know what it is about eating soup in a mug, but it makes me feel so cozy. Like a little cup of soup. I used to get those all the time in England and they're so yum. Okay, so there is everything that came in my winter 2020 FabFitFun. Some really great things, a nice mixture of beauty and home. I think my favorite is probably the robe because that's super cozy. And I love these mugs. I think those are really adorable. I'm actually super excited for the cutting boards because like we always, you know, you always need a cutting board, don't you? And then I'm also really excited to try this like dry brushing thing for my face. And I want to be so exfoliated. And then this is the only item that I don't like. I will definitely be re-gifting that for Christmas present. Just sticking in a little something for someone because I just don't use liquid liner. So I think that's a pretty good, if I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 out of 7 good and only 1, that's a pretty good deal. So very excited for all of these items, and for some reason I did not get a pamphlet, so I don't know if one was just missing or if my kids took it. I can't imagine that they would have, but you just never know nowadays. They also stole my phone charger the other day, and then they told me that neither one of them did it and it was in their bedroom. So I don't know, you know what I mean? They still won't admit who did it. I keep on asking them over and over again, just tell me. I'm not like, if you tell me the truth, I won't be mad. And they still don't say, I didn't do it. Oh, I didn't do it. So magically, I think one of the dogs took my phone charger and stuck it in their room to charge one of their iPads. So Luna Tuna. She's the only one that doesn't do anything annoying. She's the best cat ever. Well, I'm sorry. She does take forever to take a poop. She scratches in the cat box for so long. But she's so good. She's so polite. She doesn't sit there and meow or scratch at doors. She's just she's my golden child. Who would have thought? The rescue kitty. The rescue kitty that started off a little sketchy. She was so shy and so nervous when we got her. And look at her now. Well, she's still a bit nervous of the dogs, let's face it, but she's the best. She's the most lovely kitty ever. If you guys ever need a kitty cat friend, always rescue them. Cats are the best. I love cats. I don't know why people don't like them. They're so great. The cat litter is annoying. She sees the dog now. She's like, oh no, that thing's gonna come back in. They're annoying, I know. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video, and if you haven't checked out FabFitFun, definitely check it out. The link will be in the description box. I will put that coupon code, but again, it is SAM10 with all capital letters, and that's going to bring your box from $49.99 down to $39.99. I will be testing out these products tonight, so I'll let you guys know how that scrub is, how this little, what is it called? I've already forgotten what it's called. Dry brushing is. I might even put my robe on tonight. It looks so cozy and soft. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.